playing this set for years, ever since I got my first Lego. This is the Lego Star Wars Millennium Falcon, and it's recommended ages 9 through 14, and its Lego number is 7965, and it has 1,254 pieces, which means it cost about $120. It's about 10 cents a piece. I like how they have the characters at the bottom right here. We have Darth Vader, Han Solo, Luke Skywalker, Chewbacca, Obi-Wan Kenobi, and Princess Leia. And I like the background and all the detail they put in the ship. So on the side of the box, they have the cover picture in the corner, precaution, and they say the number of it on the side and how and what it is, Lego Star Wars. There's no glue here, but it's held together with tape. On the other side, it's the exact same thing, but it shows a orange circle with letters on it saying some special figures. And also right here it says special figures. On the back we have a little view of the ship and what's inside of it. It shows on the left side, it shows some other recommended Legos that you could buy, and it shows the number on the corner. And then down here it shows a Lego Star Wars 3 video game, which I have. And on the right side, there's a picture showing that there would be like missiles or guns or whatever on the bottom, and it shows how you can shoot them. Right here, second picture, it shows how right here it can go up and down, and it just shows a picture of Han Solo and Chewbacca playing like checkers or something. And down here it shows another picture with all three of them. All the three of them: Obi-Wan Kenobi, Princess Leia, and Han Solo. And down here it shows Luke Skywalker trained to be a Jedi. Now we're going to open up the box and show you what's inside. So first thing is bag number 2. Next is bag number 4. Bag number 1. Bag number 9. Bag number 5. Bag number 4. Another bag number 2. Bag number 3. Another bag number 5. Another bag number 1. some special pieces. Some special pieces covered with a more protective bag. Another bag number 2. Another bag number 4. Bag number 3. Bag number 1. Again. And now we have a random Lego piece outside of its bag for some reason. And now we have the instructions and stickers protected by another protective layer of bagging. I'm going to take this off and remove the bag. So we have the stickers. Instruction page number 2. And instruction that's protected by a piece of cardboard. 2. And instruction page number 1. And instructions, it shows normal instructions, and I like how they, in mostly all instructions, they don't say words. They show pictures and the pieces you need in the corner. And on the near the very back, it shows all the pieces needed for this entire thing, and this piece even has 46 pieces. So like they name all this, so maybe if like you lose instructions page 1 or lose instructions page 2, you could gather all the pieces and go on the internet to look up the instructions. Next page, it shows the pictures right here that were shown on one of the sides of the boxes, and the characters that were shown at the bottom of the box. Right here it shows other recommended sets and the number and what the box looks like and age recommended. And then right here we have a Star Wars clone, a Star Wars picture with some other sets that you might like at the bottom. Next we have Star Wars 3, the Clone Wars game picture, and it's rated an E, so 10 and up. And right here we have a Lego club sign up tutorial thing, and it shows like the website to sign up, and it's free. And I have Lego Club, and you get magazines every once in a while in the mail from Lego Club. In each booklet or instructions, it has about up to 100 steps. So booklet page 2 has 100, and booklet page 1 has 66.